Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a shipping cost on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button next or click on this website button below the website you want to add your shipping cost in. From this left side menu, click on Settings, then go to Selling and scroll down to Shipping. Click on this Add Shipping option button. You can add a flat rate shipping cost or create it depending on weight. For this video, I will go with a flat rate shipping cost. Give your shipping option a name, for example, FedEx next day. You can go with a base fee for every order placed or an additional fee for each physical item in the order. I will go with a base fee per order. I will go with $15 for shipping. Before clicking on save, go to shipping zones. Select the country you want to work in or your shipping is available. Let's go with the United States, and you can also edit the areas inside your country. After adding one or multiple shipping zones, click on Save. And now let's check my shipping live. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Let's check my online store on this website. Let's try to buy this cup. For example, click on Add to Cart. Click on this cart icon, then Checkout. Fill in a test email. Click Continue. This is my shipping method and this is my shipping cost. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.